So, you've taken the plunge and created a website for your business. Awesome! It's such an important way for your customers to understand who you are and what products or services your business provides. But how do you know if your website is performing at its best? How do you know if your customers can even find your website? That's where Checkable can help. It's a free, one-stop shop to check various aspects of your website, such as compliance, to make sure your website has all the legal necessities to keep your business and customers safe online. Visibility, to ensure your business has a maximum chance of being found online. Customer experience, to meet the expectations of your customers and improve sales conversions. And site speed, to increase the speed and functionality of your website, minimizing customer frustration and drop-off. Checkable also looks at your business social media accounts, identifying your top-performing posts, so you can determine what type of content is resonating with your customers. It also shows how your social media stats compare to other businesses like yours. Based on how your site stacks up, Checkable will give you a status for each check and recommend next steps in order to optimize your website performance and online presence. Learning guides are also provided, containing extra info and resources for each topic. This sounds pretty great, right? But with the day-to-day running of your business, where do you even begin with making improvements to all of these areas of your website? How do you know what's most important and gives you the most bang for your buck? Well, this is the beauty of Checkable's digital action plan. It creates a personalized plan based on your website and identifies which checks to work on first, from easy business wins, quick changes you can make today, to business essentials, things that are best practice, but might take a little bit more time and effort, through to long-term goals, the bigger, most impactful changes you could make, but will most likely require additional time, money, and the help of a developer. If all else fails, you can look at the top priority on the Checkable dashboard. This is the single easiest change you can make to improve your online presence. Aside from reviewing your website, Checkable offers other ways of streamlining your business practice and improving your digital footprint. You can take the Productivity Tools questionnaire to discover digital tools that can help save you time and effort, from project management to finance through to digital marketing. There are digital tools that can speed up your processes and help you stay on top of the everyday running of your business. Speaking of keeping things organized, the My Business Summary page allows you to save all those important details, like your New Zealand business number, GST number, company goals, values, and objectives, all in one place. If you have a Xero or MYOB account, you can connect these with Checkable to pull through financial overviews. This essentially becomes a one-page business plan that you can share with banks or potential investors if you're applying for funding, or just as a way to make sure you're staying on track. Checkable also integrates with third parties like Google. If you have a Google business profile, Google Analytics, or Google Ads account, you can connect them with Checkable to get overviews, insights, and in some cases, create and edit assets, all without leaving the Checkable platform. To make the most of all these features and more, just sign up to Digital Boost and follow the signs for Checkable. It's completely free, so give it a go today.